Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to edit real player. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to create player. Swipe right and select edit real players. Select male or female. First you select country. League, team, and select player. You can't change most of the informations, but kit number. Then you can change position, role, and preferred food. You can change kit, boots, gloves and wrists, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.